Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. If you have been subscribed to my channel for a while, I am really sorry. It has been crazy. My life has completely changed. There is so much stuff that has happened, but to kind of put it into perspective, financial situations happened, relationship status changed, just a lot of things had happened that kept me away. So if you were the recipients of the giveaway that I had a while back, I've actually finally sent them out. You can go. So now I'm going to get into what I was going to do in this video. I've been getting boxes from Boxy, Ipsy, just a lot of places, and I haven't opened them. I'm gonna start opening up some of the Boxy boxes I have gotten. So I have 5 of them. That'll tell you how long I haven't really opened up my boxes. First, I have the superhero mascara from It Cosmetics, and if you've seen any of my old videos, this is like one of my favorite mascaras. I actually used pretty much all of it, and it was just like a small sample size because it was from my Ipsy bag, but I love this. And I know that these cost like $24 for it, and it's the full size one. So to me already this is worth the 20 bucks I spent on, oh, the $21 I spent on this box. Next I have this Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and I actually really like her liquid lips. Ooh, this color is Bow and Arrow. So I have like a hot pink one. I don't even know what the name is called, but oh, I like this. I like it a lot. So right there, let's see if you guys can see it. And the other thing is, I just wanted to open up these Boxy things because they're taking up so much space. Ooh. Don't Despair Repair Briogeo. So this is, I assume it's for hair. Yep, strengthens damaged hair and split ends. Mineral hand cream. I just might. It has an interesting smell. It smells like mint almost. What is it? Dead sea water. Oh yeah, it's definitely that Dead Sea smell. And I got from her. So I was actually reading up on this, and I actually really like the products that they were showing online. I'm not really big into like buying stuff online, you know, buying stuff that you see online unless I really want to try it. I actually gave in, and I bought, well, there's some things I did buy. So probably more than probably about a year ago, I ended up buying some stuff from Juvia's place, and I was finally using it, and that's what I have on my eyes today, along with the Stila, that glitter eyeshadow stuff. And this stuff is pretty bomb. Some of it kind of, because it's so pigmented, it kind of applies kind of blotchy, but then I'll use different brushes to kind of blend it out. So this one right here, this is a Real Techniques brush, and this is the Deluxe Crease brush. And for some reason, because I think it's because it's so dense, it actually really does a good job blending out blotchy eyeshadows. And it's not that it's blotchy, I think that it was just like the colors, well, maybe a little blotchy, but it blended out really nicely when I use this. So you want to use a more dense brush to blend out the shadows. And then here's another one. This is from one of the Tarte collections. It's more dome shape, and it actually is pretty dense as well. So these 2 brushes were pretty awesome in helping me blend it out. So now we're gonna get to this palette, and it's the Midnight Masquerade palette. Oh wow, it is a face palette. This could be a highlighter. This looks more like a bronzer. We got some blushes here and then some eyeshadows. It's a tiny mirror. I mean, it's actually not a bad size mirror if you're just trying to do makeup. Let's see, use this matte shade right here. Okay. And I'm gonna use this blue shade, Showtime. It's actually pretty good. 1 down, 4 to go. So now we're getting to the next box. Still no clue as to when this was sent out. This is it's the Ziza. Am I reading that right? This is Pretty Vulgar, the powder room. It's a translucent setting powder. So I'm excited because I don't really buy that much translucent powders, but pretty excited about this. And I like the other thing I got from Pretty Vulgar, so it's pretty cool. You can hear my dad. My dad's home. So we have this activated charcoal mask from Cosmetics. And oh, I like the peel off mask. So this is just a, you know, charcoal mask, and I'm gonna try it. Ooh, Tarte's lip paint. I like Tarte. I like their eyeliner. They have that, oh, strike gold. Perfect. So it's more of like, so you can see it has like a peach undertone, and then it has gold and purple flecks of glitter. I don't really think you can see it in the camera, but that's what it is. Bodyography Barely There lip pencil. And the last thing I got, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, is this thing right here. Oh my gosh, I heard about this. I don't remember which one it is, but I heard about this. So it is a flat iron, and I heard it was like the cutest thing ever, and I'm pretty excited about this. This is the one that was like $100, and these, oh my god, this, like, it is like the cutest thing ever. Like, it is so tiny. Everybody said they'd be using it for like their bangs and their little baby hairs. So $20, $12, $32, $30, $75. I'm pretty sure I could have went to Ross or TJ Maxx and got this for like $12 if they had it there. But I mean, it's still super cute and I like it. So that's box 2. Now we're at box number 3. Do you guys have collections that you haven't opened yet? Like, do you get these subscription things and just kind of leave it on the side? I actually am gonna do like opening a year's worth of Ipsy bags, because I have them all just sitting there, and the bags itself, the packaging takes up so much space that I really do need to go through it all, and I figured I'd just do an unboxing. All right, have you heard about Boxy Luxe? Yes, I have. And the thing, okay, so the thing about the Boxy Luxe is I want the Boxy Luxe, but I also want the normal one that comes in that month. So can you guys just charge me for both? I know they charge you for both when you order it, but I want both. So, all right, this one is called Gold Digger. Oh, I shouldn't be reading this already. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm really excited about this box. I'm like really excited. I shouldn't have looked. I want to like do things. So first thing I got is lashes. If you guys have not seen my lash drawer, that's not it. It's like, I got some stuff going on in there, just saying. It's called Lashaholic. Oh, they're just like short, wispy. So they're like multiple length. Some are short, some are long. They're just wispy. It said ready, set, get addicted. And, but that's Lashaholic lashes. Still something to try on. I like this box. It has like a little bit of a magnetic closure. It has magnetic closure. It kind of feels like flimsy, but oh, I love Luxie brushes. So it's a little, what is this, the eye? Okay, it doesn't tell you on here, but I'm sure it's like a, what exactly do they call it? Luminous eye set. This is the Jote Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. And is this in black? It's in black, so I just assume it's black with glitter specks on it. Now I have Color FX glitter drops, and this is in the color Nova. I have wanted this forever, and I could not justify buying it. And it's a full-size one. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There's, oh my god. That was so worth this box. And the last is called Ace Beauty, or Beauté Grandiose Palette. If you don't know, my son's name is Ace, my oldest, so. It's a palette. You know, there's 8 shadows in here. You know, whenever I go into palettes that have glitter, I always tend to go for like the lighter champagne shades. And there, it's a very pretty color. Poppy. Oh yeah, that's some intensity right there. Oh, and this is like almost like a hot pink. I feel a look coming on. So now this is box number 4. So we have a facial cleanser. It has honey and hyaluronic acid, so hopefully this works good. Tressotique primer inside. It's a prime and color lip glaze. Huh. It's pretty interesting. Ooh, it's like a magnetic. Little things that amuse me. So we have a primer. It's pink, no pore blim primer. So I finally got my hands on the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Let me just tell you my little story with this. I refused for some reason to buy this mascara. For some reason, like if I'm not in that mood of like, okay, I have to get all of this or that, I won't go and buy it no matter how much I want it. The Better Than Sex mascara was something that I kept saying to myself I was going to get, and I just never got around to it. I think I even got a small sample size from Sephora with like one of the when I bought stuff and I used my points on it. I'm pretty sure I did, but I still haven't used that yet. Now I got a full-size one. Oh, Pretty Vulgar, the shimmering highlighter. So right here, actually really cute. I like their casing. Like they have like this crazy theme. It's more of like, you know, like a modern Renaissance type of feel to it. Or the highlighter right here is like a pink. So this is box number 5, which is the last box of the ones from Boxy Charm I did not open yet. And this is the rose one. All right, so first off, I have a brush set from Moda. So they're like a rose pink. Ooh, and they're soft. And I have here, ooh, it's a purifying and brightening peel off mask, which I was mentioning with the charcoal mask earlier that I'd rather have a peel off mask. So it's from Wander. I feel like this name sounds so familiar to me. I think that's Wander. That was the one where everybody was using like the foundation, like the powder. I remember seeing little commercials pop up on my feed. I got lipstick from Ofra. I want to try this brand so badly, and I just haven't been persuaded to buy stuff from them. So this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and I believe this color is Monaco, because it doesn't see a name anywhere else. And just put that down there. Oh, and this is a really, it's like a dusty rose color almost. But right there, this bottom one. Right. This one is an interesting package. This is the Bloom Volumizing Mascara. So it's from Monaco Beauty. It's just a really, it's like, it's wrapped. This is like an interesting shaped one. This is from Cover FX, and this is the Perfector Face Palette. So it says there's blushes, finishing powder, highlighter, brightener, highlighter, and contour. I like the way the powders are all like shaped. It's like cool. It's actually got ridges and stuff. All right, so let's see this contour. Might be a little light for me, but that's okay. Oh, that highlighter is like right here. This is pink highlighter. I know I got all these swatches going on my arm. You should see the way I look when I go into like Sephora's or MAC. And then, yeah, so it's pretty cool. And this is promising. Yeah. So I guess I take it off this corner here. Oh yeah. Sorry, I like this mirror. And I always tell you guys I like super big mirrors. So this mirror is pretty big right here. Yes. You know, if I ever make makeup brand, the mirror is going to be this freaking big. Like, it is going to take up the whole top part of this. All right, so those are the products that I got from the 5 boxes that I hadn't opened before, and I finally did. So let me know what you guys think of this video. If there's anything you want to see, you want me to try next, or whatever, just let me know. Go ahead and hit the like button down below if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and join my Ohana, and I will see you guys in my next video.